So I thought I'd give an update of how the seeds that I'm sowing are going from about a month ago and the progress that it's made, and just how I'm going to reinforce today the message that picking seeds yourself and then immediately sowing them is the best way to do it. So these Coast Banksia here, even though they got these nice tap roots, only 5 of them actually caught in the end. The rest of them just ended up whittling away and dying. So maybe it's not the best method. So the prickly tea tree, they all sprouting and they're doing pretty well. So I'm going to let them keep going here. They've got the 20-degree heat mat and they're in these seed trays. And I'll start separating them probably at the start of spring so that then maybe I can plant some in spring, summer, autumn of next year. So they're doing really well. So I picked them this year. And you can tell these are not weeds as well because they have sort of those true leaves as opposed to weeds. You end up getting an eye for it. So the Silver Princess and Crimson Bottle Brush, they've been there for ages. They've done nothing. I'm going to give up soon. The Crimson Bottle Brush, it just stays like those little ones and never changes. Now, on the other hand, the Ruby Saltbush and the Hedge Salt-Bush. So about a month ago, I did a video where I popped these little berries and got the seeds out. They've done so well. I have like 30 of them. Look how good that Hedge Salt-Bush is there. I'm going to keep growing them and I'm going to plant a bunch of them out in spring. So I just put them all in the tins just because there were so many, and yeah, there's them there. So there's about 30 of them. So I'm just, as they're getting big enough, I'm slowly transferring them outside. These ones, once I've got a few more tins, I'll put in there, and then that's all she wrote for them. For the Seaberry Saltbush, a locally indigenous species, so I popped out the seeds on these ones too about a month or 6 weeks ago. And they're all starting to sprout too now, so I will definitely plant these on my property because they are locally indigenous, quite iconic to the region, and I picked them from around. So the last thing that I'm doing by seed is the Weeping Lily Pilly. So these massive sort of tropical looking native plants with these absolutely beautiful fruits. I put one of the large seeds in each of these seed trays and they're doing really well. Look at those beautiful leaves. So I'm just going to let them keep going in there for a bit until I plant them out as well.